everybody, it's me, Kim, the DP Hobbyist, and I'm excited. I'm excited to show you this mini diamond painting set from a new small shop called Blingkitybites. And this set contains 20 little mini canvases in it for bling turn 99. Now, during 1999, I was pregnant. But this reminds me of the 1980s. And I wasn't pregnant in the 1980s, and I was at plenty of concerts then. And this really reminds me of that time. Now, I had seen this unboxed on Kara the Principal Painter's channel, and I already had Blingkitybites down on my list of small shops to purchase from this year. This year, I'm on a low buy, and a lot of my money is going to be going towards small shops. I had them on my list. I opened my email the other day, and they contacted me. They said they'd seen my content. They've been watching my channel, and they wanted to know if I would be interested in showing you one of their kits and becoming an affiliate. And I'm like, yes, please. Yes, please. And I told them that I'd already seen their product and I was already sold. So now I get to show you, but I do have an excessive amount of minis in my diamond painting collection. I love minis. You've heard me talk about my bed whip. Bed whips. So those are, I have a setup where I diamond paint in bed. And so I have bed whips. They're minis, they're 30 by 40s, and so on. This is going to be my bed whip. I don't have one right now. I finished what I was working on. And this is not the last time you're going to see these. So I'm going to show you the canvases today. We're going to talk about first impressions. We're going to look at the drills. We're going to talk about the website. And then you're going to see probably a video coming up later this week, me showing you my diamond painting bed setup. And I'll be diamond painting one of these. So let me show you the detail. This box contains unapologetic joy, handle with intention. You got your diamond here. Hold still, the magic's about to begin. And you got Blingkitybites. So they do have, right now it just shows some minis on their site. And they have this one, and then they have a cowgirl mini, and they have a Midnight Hex, I believe it's called, mini, which I really want. But they show out of stock, and I don't know if they have released them yet or if they did and they just sold out. So, but I do know this set is still available. Let me try to get this open the best I can here. How about down here? I don't know if that's gonna, I'm trying not to cut myself on camera. I'm going to do this so I can tape it back to the box when I'm done. But that doesn't seem like it's going to happen. You know, like always, I always have some sort of technical difficulty, right? Right now it's with my box knife. My cutter. There we go. Now right here, it shows you the different canvases that's in this set. So we have the Glam Strummer, the Mic Drop Moment, Pop Cherry Babe, Rock On Babe, Ink and Encore, Final Bow Skull, VIP All Access, Fast Lane Fantasy, Spin Me Sweet, Stage Stompers, Babe on Wheels, Queen's Tour Jacket. Oh my gosh. Heartbreaker Shades, Girls Lived for These, Glitch Mode, Pixel Pet Babe, Hype Beats Only, Mixtape Magic, Retro Replay, and Remix Me Cube. So that's cute. So here, let me zoom out a little bit, is our box. It says 1,000 tiny reasons to bling. Look, I have to back out some more. I'm trying to get this where I've got this clamped right here on the table. If you watched my content from either yesterday or day before yesterday, I talked about how my tripod has the wobblies. It still does. See, I'm trying to fix it, but I wanted to use it for this. Here's our drills. Oh, they're so vibrant. Look at that yellow. It is a square drill kit. Oh, these are so pretty, you guys. Look at those colors. Then it comes like this. Let the bling party begin. Look at that heart. So let's take a look. Like I said, there are 20 of these. Bling like a pro. Save it, don't frame it. We don't do walls, we do folders. Flip through them and brag about your Blingkitybites, aka canvases. Keep your wax fresh. Don't leave your wax open, peeled just one side, and pop the lid back when you're not using it. So it's just giving you some tips and tricks. And so we will look at the kit. So it comes in this nice little canvas bag. It's branded. Thought I felt something else in there. No, it came out. Is that a 10 placer or a 7 placer? It almost looks like a 10 placer. A squishy. You've got your wax. There is, looks like 2 plates. You've got tweezers. You've got plastic tweezers, but they're not super flimsy. Those are good tweezers. Those are good tweezers. You have your straw pen, so your standard pen with a single placer and then a 4 placer, and then you have your white boat with a funnel. So nice. So I love that bag. So you have your sticker sheet, and it's called your gem color chart. Peel and label the gem bags. So here they are. So how many is there? 30. Okay. You guys look at that. These, excuse if you hear Sassy over there eating her dinner. You guys, these are so clear. The rendering is so good on these. Look at that. Oh, I am so excited to do these. That was the tattoo of the 90s, was it not? Oh, look at that. Look at the glasses. VIP, babe. I mean, I may have had a few backstage passes in my day. They didn't say VIP, babe, but See that muscle car? My mix. Oh my gosh. These boots. That is a 90s thing right there. Those boots right there. Roller skates. Is it the roller skate or rink? Why they call it rink? They're at the roller rink all the time when I was young. I wasn't very good at it. I mean, I had my moments. And the vest to go with the boots. Love it. I love those. You guys, that would be a great mini for Pride. Look at your flip phone. Yes, these are so good. They are so good. What was this game called? Was it Tamagotchi? Is that what this is? It, I don't know. This is a 90s thing. Wasn't for me. What was that game called? Tell me down in the description box. A Walkman. A mixtape. Oh my gosh. There was a show called American Bandstand, and there was one called Solid Gold. And I can remember, they would have bands, they'd have artists on there. And I can remember sitting there and watching that, and you would record like the song that you wanted. You put it up you put one of these up to the television or to the radio, and you'd record the song that you wanted on one of these. Solid Gold and American Bandstand. Yep. And Rubik's Cube. I love that. I can tell you that the rendering on these minis are like I've never seen a render on a mini like this before. Ever. Okay? Not from the big premium companies or anyone else. I have not seen rendering like this on a mini set ever. Like I just told you, I can say that because I have an excessive amount of minis in my collection. It's excessive. You guys have I haven't even touched the surface of my collection and unboxings on this channel with you. Look. Oh, I'm so excited. Which one should I do first? So tell me down in the description box, which one of these do you want me to do first? Whichever one gets commented the most, like my mix. If you guys did my mix, then that'd be the one I do. Or VIP Babe, the skull, heart. Yeah. And you guys, I think that this set might be on sale on their site. I am not sure. It was the other day. That doesn't mean that it is today, but the other day this was on sale. I want you to remember that you're getting 20 of these too. So yeah, down in the description box, you guys leave. I think they have a disco ball emoji, but if you're not going to comment on which one you want me to do, but if you're going to comment, you don't have to leave an emoji because I know that you're watching it till the end because here we are. Tell me which one you want me to do first. And like I said, the one with the most votes, I'll do first. And I'll show you that when I show you my diamond painting bed setup, because that's where I'll be doing these. Now let's look at these drills again. Like I said, they are square. Which means I believe they're going to be resin. They're so pretty. And if they're not, I'm going to open it. Let's take a look. These drills look so good. Now there are no specials, but these colors are so vibrant. You don't need a special. They are so pretty. I tell you, I love getting products that excites me again in the diamond painting world. Like we see so many things out there, like, you know, the other day, and that was one of the things that they commented on. They saw a video where I got so excited over a product, and I don't fake that. If I'm excited over something, you know it. And I am excited. I was excited when I watched Kara unbox these. I'm like, oh my God, I have got to get those. Put that name down on your list. That's a small shop you have to buy from and haul from. And then for them to reach out to me and say they watched my content and they wanted me to be an affiliate, you guys, I was just honored. I don't ever think about, you know, people watching my content and saying, hey, we would like to, you know, you to represent our company, show our product. You know, we're putting that trust in you. So thank you very much to the folks over at Blingkitybites for contacting me, for sending me this kit. There is going to be, I'm going to have a link below. I'm going to have a discount code below. So make sure that you go and check them out. You guys, you won't be sorry. You won't be. If you love minis, this company is going to be the mini kit company. I'm calling it. They have, like I said, there's a cowgirl set, and then there's a hex set. Cannot wait to get the hex set. Like, can't wait. Especially now that I've seen these in person. Thank you for hanging with me. Vote down below which one you want me to do first, and I'll do it. And go visit Blingkitybites. And if this is still the only set that's available and it's not the one you want, bookmark them. Bookmark them so you can keep going back and checking. You won't regret it, you guys. You won't. I'm telling you, the rendering is insane. Bye. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day, great evening, afternoon, whatever time of the day it is that you're watching me. Have a great one.